Hi guys, this is F channel. How you doing? As you can see, I'm back in the UK. Rainy days, mood swings and cheap sausage roll on a lunch break. But I will not give up and I will always try to make life slightly sweeter. I've done a little research and I decided to make a pavlova today. Let's crack on.
Work. Give me all the work.
Recording?
Yes.
My assistant is in a mood at the moment. You alright? It's loading. Where do you think is YouTube? Here?
On Safari.
On Safari. Here?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa. Mary Berry's Pavlova. This is the bake-up lady. Let's see what she's... I need to make a list of the ingredients, obviously. Black currants, red currants, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries. This is the fruit she used. I will text this to the finance department because I need their approval before I actually can buy anything.
Finance department said, well, unfortunately we don't own shares in Waitrose or Marks and Spencer, so we can't afford spending so much money on berries. Just for one video, there is a leftover mango in the fridge and just use your imagination.
Well, I'm not surprised. I will use my imagination.
Missing someone.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some berries. Do you think I can find some that way? That wasn't very helpful. Excuse me, I'm looking for some berries. Do you think I can find some that way? Rude. Excuse me, I'm looking for some berries. Do you think I can find some that way? They're just looking at me, look at them.
Work. Give me all the work.
And you did it right from the start. Missing someone. Is as normal. Missing someone. And missing someone.
And that's the mango. This is like on the makeup videos, showing the brand. Anyway, can I cut it now?
Yes, you can.
Do you know what? I will give the mango to my assistant to cut it because obviously he knows better than me. Here we go. I've got all my components here. Certain parts were very challenging, so I had to bake the meringue twice, and I'm not sure that it's perfect because it looks slightly yellowish, and I'm not sure is that because I baked it on the wrong temperature or something, but I think it's better than the first one because on the first attempt I didn't shape them right, so I made a cavity in the middle, so it was, when they cook they were very unstable and they start breaking, so I decided to make the second one, which to be honest looks much better, and I will have a look now. I'll make one for you as well. Okay, I think this is right actually. Basically they need to be very marshmallowish in the middle, which I think they are, and I will just break it like this to create a cavity. I can feel inside, so I will, instead of putting freshly whipped cream, I will use this cream called creme. I can't really pronounce this. I don't know, is it creme fraiche or creme fraiche? I'm not sure. I use that because it's very sour, and I like the mixture of the sourness and okay, and I've got the sauce here I made with the wild blackberries, but when I made it I realized there's a little bit too much juice liquid, so I took it away here, and I'll make some gin with blackberries. So I'll put this first. Of course I will use a little bit of the obviously every pavlova is named after the certain ingredients, let's say raspberry pavlova or berry pavlova. I'm not sure how I should name my pavlova. If you can just write them in the comment, your ideas, I will appreciate that. Now I'm very impatient to try it, and especially to find out did I manage to make the meringue base. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the future videos. Bye!